guys, I just want to give a feedback on this messenger bag I bought in this eBay store. Actually, I love the Beatles, so I bought a Beatles bag of my own. So let me show how the bags look. If you want to see what I have inside, I put some books. Just take two of them out. In the middle of the bag there is a room to put another stuff. I put my purse, my sunglasses, my iPhone, actually my keys and two lipsticks. And on the back I have another room to put my diary. So guys, I have this bag for 1 year. I just love it.